Okay, turn on your system, and first of all you need to go to settings, network, connect to your internet network, and now the games are locked in. You are not able to play. All games are locked in. And then go to settings, go to the top, user sky, hit the user sky. From here we go to menu host, then menu host hybrid. So from this menu we choose the GoHand version 2.3, which is the latest one, 2.3. Hit it and wait. So now we need to have the USB drive ready. Don't plug in yet. It's gonna wait like 30 seconds to a minute. Just wait. So sometimes you will get the error message, not enough memory. Don't worry, just click OK, and then do it again. Okay, insert the USB now. Don't hit OK until you see a message. Don't hit OK yet. Okay. The USB storage device file system is unsupported. It's normal. Wait the message until it go out, and then hit OK. Okay, drop it down. You remove USB. You can remove the USB now. And hit OK. Go ahead and load it. So press the PS button, go back to the main menu. Then all games are unlocked now. Start. Okay, you can put your system to rest mode. Next time you turn it on, you don't need to do the process. If you put the system to the rest mode, next time when you turn it on, you can play right away. If you turn off your PS4 completely, then you need to do the whole process again. Thank you.